Dimitra Lane claims her ex-boyfriend, Shumpert Caldwell, is the father of her newborn baby, and she wants a paternity test to prove it. She also says Shumpert abused her throughout their relationship. Shumpert says he isn't the baby's dad because Dimitra has slept around, and he refuses to pay child support for a baby that isn't his.
You all are in court today because obviously you all cannot agree about the paternity of this child, which is why we're here. We're going to settle it once and for all because you need to establish paternity so that you can have Mr. Caldwell pay child support.
He need to take care of the first one.
Is that what we're talking about?
So, cause you keep getting me locked up. That's why I ain't got no job. You know what I mean?
If you don't think that he is worthy, why are you with him?
I'm not with him, Your Honor. I just want him to take care of his kids.
Listen to the question. You had, by your own testimony, you had this man locked up for abusing you. You just told me that he was abusive. Then, as soon as he gets locked up, let's talk about this. He gets released from jail.
Come right back home. Excuse me, Your Honor.
I'm asking the question.
Yes, I'm sorry.
How long before he's back in your house?
He came the same day he got out of jail. His brother came there. Okay, they had already warned me. They released him from traffic court, so they already warned me and told me that they was releasing him, okay? Because I didn't really know exactly when he was going to get out. So I guess they thought he was some kind of killer or something. Like, they had to call me and tell me that he was being released or whatever. So his brother came there and...
Sorry,
it was a nut. Sorry. His brother came there and, like, was acting like he was looking for...
Now, the only thing I really care about is this precious child.
Yeah.
My name is Tanya Curtis. I am an attorney.
All right, and you are here with the DNA evidence, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and you've been previously sworn?
Yes.
I'd like for you to let me know whether Mr. Caldwell is the father of this child.
Yes, Your Honor. The results were performed by the DNA Diagnostic Center, and the results indicate that Mr. Caldwell is excluded as the biological father of the named child.
Thank you. That's your daughter. Told you.
No.
You didn't even hear the evidence.
That's his daughter.
It said
excluded. Excuse me.
That's correct.
Excluded. Thank you. You may step down.
Thank you.
No.
It means that Mr. Caldwell.
Sorry.
All right. There are a whole lot of issues here. One is this whole thing about domestic violence. Whatever's going on, you need to get some help.
Oh, see?
You don't need to be listen to me, you don't need to be putting your hands on any woman. Do you hear me?
Yes.
I expect you to get some help for that, and I expect you to get it right away.
Yeah.
Now, you've been excluded as the father of this child, but there's another child that you need to be responsible for.
Yes.
And what are you doing to support this stuff?
Actually, I'm not doing nothing right now.
Well, you need to.
He never did since
well,
I had her.
am going to find a job. I'm not doing nothing right now, but the abuse, it was past tense. You know, I don't fight no more. I'd rather walk away. Right, you know.
You just choked me last week.
What? I choked you?
You need to take whatever steps you need to take to get the situation with your other daughter straightened out. Mr. Caldwell needs to be responsible for child support on that. The case is dismissed. It has been established conclusively that you're not the father of this infant child, and therefore the matter is dismissed. If there's nothing further, I am going to order specifically that you follow up with counseling about this domestic violence. That is unacceptable. You've said it's in the past tense. I want to make sure that it continues to be in the past tense.
Yes, Your
If
Honor.
nothing further, we will stand adjourned.
Thank you. Stay right there. All right.
Let me just say this. You know, you got to be careful. You haul this man into court. You say he's the father exclusive, which means that you don't even know who this child's father is.
And I sure don't. And that's sad, ain't it?
Come in my office. You can be excused.
Yeah.
You know you've got to get some help. And you've got to stop sleeping around. Can't do it. You have got to be strong for your own children. We don't even know who this father is for this last baby. Which means that you're having unprotected sex.
Well, basically, it was just that time with...
Don't tell me just that time. You don't even know who it's with. How are you sure? How are you sure that it was... Obviously, it was unprotected.
With too many people, so I know that.
You know, and you could be a shining example to some other women who are in the same spot you're in. You know, who might look at you and believe you can turn it around and see you turn it around, and they'll try to get their lives together too. All right? All right, we got work to do, and we're gonna be back, and we're not gonna give up on you. I'm not giving up on you. You got that?